Hello, this is Donna. How are y'all today? And I just have another project that I just finished that I wanted to share with you all. For this project, I used Kerr's Happiness in Crafting freebie kit. I think it was kit number 22 from September. It is a freebie over in her Facebook group, Happiness in Crafting, and her name is Kerr. And this is the kit. Make sure you set your printer correctly. I did not set mine correctly the first time, so I had to go back and reprint it in order to do it. But I still have all these things that I can cut and use. So make sure when you print it, you set your printer correctly because I always forget. But this is what the paper looks like. And of course, cut the end of it off here. But isn't it just gorgeous? And it comes with all of this ephemera to play with. Like I said, I did cut mine off a little bit, so make sure you set yours correctly. So let's get started. G made something different with it on YouTube. She does have a video using this kit, but this is what I made with it. And you can find G on YouTube as Happiness in Crafting or G Kerr. So let's get started. I made this expandable file folder, and I made, to go in it, I made a little journal, and I even made a little bookmark, tiny little bookmark with a 3D butterfly there to go in the little journal for writing. Several pages there. It's been sewn in, but here's the little bookmark. We'll stick that back into here. So there's that, and it has the word hope up there and a little butterfly here. I love these papers. I had so much fun with this. Okay, and then I made a pocket tag. Has a little place at the bottom for journaling, or you can glue it closed and use it as an envelope. Okay, and then it has 1, 2, 3 tags inside it, and then here is the tag itself with the pockets glued to it, and there's the back where you can journal on the back. So let's put that back into there, and these can all be written on. This one I did not do too much to it because, you know, there's so much going on with it, and I just felt like it was too much. Plus, it had to fit back into my pocket. This is an expandable file folder pocket with lots of room, and then this is just a little die cut from the Dollar Tree with a little bit of cheesecloth type fabric behind it that has been stained, and then there's the back of that can be written on. And I even made a little paper clip to go with the kit. And it just clips down onto there. Like that. This is a cute little gift to give for a Valentine's gift. Or just, you know, just put into your journal, and I will show you in just a minute how it can be used in your journal. Let's see, let me get all of this back into here. And I used a little bit of eyelash yarn on the tag pocket there. So there's that. And let's see, let me see if I can pull up. I've got a journal here that I am working on. Let's find a page that maybe we can lay this on to show you. Well, here's one right here. How it will work. You can put it right into journal like this. Doesn't that look pretty? Or you can just put each piece in independently. You could take this pocket tag and use it in a journal like that. You could use the paper clip in a journal. I mean, so many things you can do, and it's just a fun project to play with and do. And I love the colors in it. Very Victorian, very beautiful. So there you have it. Another video using G. Kerr's kits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go on over, and she is Happiness in Crafting, and join her. And of course I used all of this except for, I did not use this piece or this piece, but I think I used everything else in the kit to make this. And I did have this piece left over, and this piece, and of course this piece left over from the kit that I can still play with. So go on over, check her out. She does have Freebie Fridays. She has a wonderful group with lots of wonderful people. And check her out on YouTube. She has so many beautiful and wonderful ideas. I mean, she is very unique and has lots of new stuff that I have not seen people doing anywhere else. And I have so much fun watching her videos. They're fun to binge watch also. So I thank y'all. God bless. Have a good day. Happy crafting.